How you doing? Thanks, man. Yes, I see you. How you doing? Good afternoon. Yes, I see you over there. I see you too. Holy smokes.
Where squirrel? Oh, it's so scary.
Duke, these puppies look super nice, don't get me wrong, but we can't possibly take in all of them.
Oh, you're right.
Good.
We'll just keep a few.
Hey, I'll tell you what. Why don't you puppies go see Captain Snowball? He lives to help animals. Good guy. Crazy, but a good guy.
He's just down the hall that way.
By the way, it's your turn.
Okay. Whoa, whoa.
I'm gonna win.
Big Bertha. Okay. Why don't you do me a favor and stand in one spot? Woo! Ouch! You're gonna use Chuck as a shield. Good luck with that. Thank you. Golly gee, a single tear rolls down my cheek. Get up. We gotta go. Somebody signal my plane. Somebody! Guys! No! No! Hit my plane! Hero! Oh no!
You're all staying seated during the entire tour. The studio is private property. You can off your phone, just can't wait to use the restroom. Pull that red cord to get my attention, and I'll be back to assist you. But do remain seated on the tram.
This is my favorite hot dog guy. Hey, buddy, how's it going? Remember me? No. Just like old times. Gotta love New York City. Hey, I'm walking here! Hey, it's cool, guys. I was just walking there. So it's not exactly New York, but a lot of times when you see New York in the movies, it was shot right here on the Universal Metro sets. If you can make it here, you can make
behind, but welcome everyone to the set for Steven Spielberg and Rick Carter's War of the Worlds.
Your favorite press
Now, War of the Worlds is the story of an alien invasion, and this is a 2005 movie.
that is all designed around a vision of Steven. We put together to sit down to talk about War of the Worlds.
It's Jupiter's Planet, the nostalgic, small-time Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky Juke Park. Over there, look into the winking well and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Show. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No? Why? A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso Experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable new live show. It's not that they started live anymore. Anyway, behind this golden case, welcome to the world of New York.
Skyline from Too Fast, Too Furious. Then we had some of my favorite cars from Jurassic World. That Jeep there, keep an eye on it. I have a quick story for you. We also have a picture both from Jordan Peele's Us, the Crawdaddy right there, and this Bradley Infantry
Training exercise you guys are about to partake in is an integral part to our Raptor program. Helps us determine how our dinosaurs interact in close proximity to humans. For today's exercise, we're using one of my favorites, Blue the Velociraptor, thanks to her extreme intelligence and her empathy towards all of you guys, the guests. Now, this is... It's a little excited to see you guys, not a big deal. This is the chance of a lifetime, guys, but please remember we are still dealing with what is essentially a wild animal, okay? So no sudden movements when you come up here to meet Blue. Just follow my lead, listen to the vet techs here. You guys should be just fine. Here at Jurassic World, we have everything under control. One last piece of advice. Okay. Oh, boy. She really wants to get out here. I got you, dude. She's good to go. All right, Blue really wants to come out and see you guys. How about you guys? You want to meet Blue? I can't go ahead. You guys want to meet Blue? There we go. Let's do it. Open the gates! Come on. And eyes on me, right here. No, eyes on me. You're okay. It's all right. Hey, hold it right there. Eyes on me, Blue. Blue, hey! Hey, none of that. Thank you. Hold it right there. Yeah, perfect. Let's do it. Right up here for me, guys. Yeah, front and center right here for me, buddy. Omar is, yeah, come here, guys. I got you. Stand right here. I got you. All right. Hey, don't hiss. You're good. Once again, guys, if you're just joining, you guys can come up to the, yeah.
Well, your pants are damaged. What happened? I like the headband. Must be one of Shaggy's friends.
I have the red shirt. That's who she's gonna go for. By the way, I should have said this sooner.